Hi guys, today in this vlog, this is my first vlog by the way, and in this vlog you're going to see, I'm going to show you my very good friend's condo where she stays alone, and it's a beautiful house which she has made with a beautiful terrace, and you will see in today's vlog. She's invited me because she cooks very nice, and it's like after a lot of days we are meeting because of the lockdown, so I'm going to make a vlog out of it, and I'm going to show you how I spent my evening with Ankita. Oh, दरवाजा खुला रखा है उसने. Come. Hi. Hello. Give me a hug. So this is my friend Ankita. Ankita, say hi.
Hi everyone.
And I have come to her home, and I'm gonna show you how pretty her home is, and she has done it all by herself. So this is the condo of hers, and she has maintained it all by herself. How are you? So guys, this is what she has done to her home. She has built a beautiful terrace all to herself, and she has decorated it so well that in the evening when you see, you feel like you are in a cafe. So this is the girl behind who has done all this work. Let me introduce you to her plants. So this is the tree where I plucked that small, this one is the tree where I plucked that small flower. और मैंने यहीं से वो वीडियो बनाई थी जो मेरे रील्स में भी आई, and it turned out to be very good, and I got many views out of that also. So इसके घर के सामने एक पेड़ भी है बहुत बड़ा सा जो नीचे से, and she stays on the first floor, और ये इतना बड़ा सा ट्री डायरेक्ट इसके घर के सामने ही आता है. And then she has this, इसको अखाए बोलते हैं,
Areca palm.
Areca palm. I'm very bad in plants, and she gives me all the aloe vera from this plant. All the aloe vera I take from this one. ये तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया यार. This is too huge, and she has 2 guavas also, which she has promised कि ये जब बड़ा हो जाएगा ये मुझे ही खिलाएगी और किसी को नहीं खिलाने वाली है, ये मुझे ही खिलाने वाली है, ये दोनों guavas. So she has a guava tree, और she has a neem tea. इसकी सुंदर त्वचा का राज है ये नीम के पत्ते. नीम खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिनको पिंपल्स होते हैं उनके लिए तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. So she has a neem plant also. And then this is a mirchi, right?
Yes, this is. Yes, I harvested half of them. Still.
She has all the kitchen items here. Okay, when I come here especially, I don't drink tea, but I love lemongrass tea. ठीक है, तो she makes me fresh plucked from her garden. This is the lemongrass plant which she has, and then
Hibiscus.
This is hibiscus, which is again
Pink.
This is a pink hibiscus.
Yes.
I have a red. So hibiscus for girls who are seeing this is very good for hair, very good for skin. So if you just pluck it and grind करके अपने oil में डाल लोगे ना, it turns out to be very good. And then she also has tulsi. I'm gonna have tulsi tea today. And I'm enjoying making this vlog. Okay, so this is hibiscus. These are again small tiny plants which she has.
Yeah,
So
marigold or.
Which one is marigold?
Marigold is there, but you will not be able to sew it. They are
I know
still germinating.
marigold. इतना ना पता है,
Yeah,
गेंदा फूल, right?
हाँ, but
these are the marigold.
Yeah, but
ones.
I mean flower you will not be able to sew.
हाँ, but these are marigold. This is tulsi, and
Some
then
plant.
I saw something very
Moss rose.
very beautiful again here, which is.
Still, it's.
जब आप इसके घर आते हैं तो लोग दिया और उससे आरती करते हैं, बट हम यहाँ पे फूलों से आरती करते हैं. So she has again, these are
Succulents.
succulents.
These are all propagated.
So she has propagated them. मैं हिंदी में बताती हूँ. इसने खुद इनको उगाया है out of a leaf. So she plucks the leaf and she puts in them, and then they start growing as a plant, small plant, and then they grow bigger. And then she's gonna gift me again this one when
Yeah.
it grows big. So this is the aarti which she does whenever anybody comes. But this is very cute, huh? I really like this. This is so small and tiny.
Yeah.
इसमें चाय भी पीते हैं ना?
That was different cooler, but this is a pot, terracotta pot.
टेराकोटा पॉट जिसके नीचे होल होता है.
Yes.
तो चाय के उसमें से मत बना लेना, बिकॉज इसके नीचे होल चाहिए होता है जिससे पानी निकलता है. डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग. और अगर आपको डायरेक्ट चाय चाहिए तो इसकी चाय यहाँ पे हमेशा रेडी रहती है। कोई भी इसके घर आए तो गरम गरम चाय वो यहीं से दे देती है, बोलती है यहीं बाहर पड़ी है ले लो, क्योंकि इसके टेरेस में बहुत सारे दोस्त आते हैं। सो शी गिव्स हर टी फ्रॉम दिस केटल। अब मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ दूसरे सेक्शन में जहाँ इसके पेड़ हैंग हो रखे हैं। सो दिस इज सी मेनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स हैव कम एंड मेड अ वीडियो आउट ऑफ दीज प्लान्स, बट ये सारी मेहनत हमारी नहीं है, ये सारी मेहनत अंकिता की है। वंस आई वाज शोइंग ऑल दिस टू माई मदर एंड माई मदर वाज लाइक इसने माली रखा हुआ है क्या? आई वाज लाइक नो, एंड जस्ट फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन वी आर नॉट स्टेइंग इन आवर होम विद आवर पेरेंट्स, इट्स आवर सेपरेट प्लेसेस, वी स्टे इंडिविजुअली. So she has maintained this place in a rented property and she has made it so beautiful, right? So my mom was like, I think she has kept a mali. She was never agreeing to the fact that she has done it all by herself. So this is the beautiful hanging thing which you can also take a tips from her. If you want anything, you can ask me a question in the comments. So this she has. इनको पानी वानी सन वन नहीं चाहिए क्या ज़्यादा?
No, they get sunlight.
They get sunlight?
Yes.
But
From the filter. Yes. Filtered sunlight they need.
Oh.
So that's why I have
So
kept.
they need special kind of sunlight.
Special.
Filtered sunlight. Like
Yeah.
ज़्यादा नहीं और कम भी नहीं, है ना?
Yeah.
So they need some filtered sunlight. इसके ऊपर कुछ है.
That's why I put a garden net.
A garden net, and on top of that there's a sheet also I see.
Yes.
So all these babies are hers, and this is also looking very pretty. और मेरा face भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा.
Yes.
You know, in between the green you will look good with makeup or without makeup.
Yes.
Any day. Like, oh, I'm doing a walk tour. Na? This is my first vlog, and I'm making it special because it's Ankita's home, and it rained today, and I'm gonna have tea in the evening, and I'm gonna show you the view what I see. You know, once I was seeing a moon in that big telescope.
Yes.
It was so big, and you could see the moon so nice, like
Yeah.
from so close, and we saw it from this terrace, and that is the kind of a memory which I'm gonna never forget.
Yeah.
So in this terrace, it's a A1 terrace which Ankita's condo only has in Bangalore. So these are special kind of plants which she has in a small pots. What are these plants called?
There are succulents, different kind of succulents, cacti. These are
This
all
is a
propagated.
cactus, right?
Yes.
And you're not
Bunny ear cactus. Yes.
and this one is ye wala?
This one is all succulents. These are all propagated from leaves. So I have created a, kind of a small.
So propagated from a leaf मतलब इसका एक पत्ता तोड़ के
Yes.
she puts it in the mud and then they grow like a plant again, right?
Yes.
So she had the baby plants and then she has grown from a leaf to these full pot of plants, right? Oh my god, this looks very beautiful. इस पूरे lot में से मेरा favorite plant पता है कौन सा है? ये वाला. This looks very beautiful.
And it's all from the leaf, just from the one leaf.
And this all she has created it from one leaf to this much of plants, like wow. So guys, this is how you propagate a plant. Like she has cut this is a snake plant और इसको ऐसे टिप से कट किया करके इसको पानी में डाला गया है. इसके रूट्स निकलने लगेंगे कितने वीक में?
Depends on the plants. Sometimes it takes a month.
Oh, so you have to change the water often?
Yes. I mean, I use twice a month. Yes. I
Okay.
mean, you can do it every week. That's a good practice. But if
Once in 2 weeks you have to change the water, and what will happen is if you are seeing this, she's propagating even this one and she's propagating even this plant, and this is the roots which are coming. So once the roots are a little stronger, once when they look stronger, she's gonna plant them in a pot, right?
yes.
So these all she is propagating. This vase looks good. Even this, you can see this. She's propagating this plant. We'll see this. इसमें देखो roots आने लग गए इसमें. Oh my god! So this is how you breed plants. In shorter way, this is how you breed plants. This is called breeding plants. Nice, yeah. My friend is really talented.